Hello everyone! Today we are excited to show you the latest robot vacuum from Ecovacs, the Deebot T50 Pro and Mini. Here we have a charging cable, a base station plate, a user menu, and a bottle of cleaning solution. Then we can see the robot vacuum itself, which comes with a roller brush, a side brush, and 2 mopping pads. Inside the top cover are the dustbin and a filter. Next to the base station, it has 2 water tanks and a dust bag. Okay, let's go through the key upgrades and features of this impressive robot vacuum. The first thing you'll notice is the ultra-thin design of the T50 Pro and Mini. This robot vacuum is only 81 mm tall. This ensures that no dust or debris is left behind, even in the hardest to reach areas, providing a more thorough cleaning. Next, it's equipped with True Edge 2 technology. With its extended dual moppings and side brushes, it can adapt to edges and corners effortlessly. One of the standout features is the mini automatic cleaning station. This station offers touchless maintenance as a rotating scraper at the bottom of the base, combined with a stream of high-temperature water, effectively clean the robot vacuum. This eliminates the need for manual maintenance, making your cleaning routine truly effortless. The T50 Pro and Mini also boasts an impressive suction power of 15,000 pascal. Thanks to its high-speed motor and straight dart design, this robot vacuum delivers top-notch cleaning efficiency, especially on carpets. This ensures a deep clean on every surface, providing an unparalleled user experience. Another notable upgrade is the AI-VI 3D3 Mini approach technology. Using a vision language model, it accurately detects the presence of obstacles by understanding their shapes. This allows it to precisely navigate around detected obstacles in real time, optimizing the cleaning rate and ensuring nothing is missed. Finally, it comes with the EcoGPT AI voice assistant. You can wake up your Deebot simply by saying "OK Eco." It understands natural language, making it easier to control the robot vacuum with your voice commands. This feature adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to manage your cleaning tasks effortlessly. Okay, there you have it, our unboxing and detailed overview of the Ecovacs Deebot T50 Pro and Mini. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.